Hello Strawhatters, welcome to the channel. I know it's been a long time since we posted, so let's address the elephant in the room, why we haven't been posting on the channel. We have two reasons why we haven't been able to post for the last 5 months. I have always wanted to work towards my professional licensure certification since long time. But working full time, being able to consistently post on YouTube, I didn't have time to allocate for studying and preparing for my certification, which is why I had to take time away from YouTube in order to make time for my professional goals. But I have great news. I passed my examination, which I have waited to pass for many years. I am really thrilled and excited. Preparing for this examination takes practicing a lot of different problems from all those subjects you probably forgot during your bachelor's degree itself. So I had to go back, revise all those subjects, practice number of problems from each of those topics, and yeah, I was able to pass with flying colors in my first attempt itself. So I'm really grateful because now I don't have to study and go through the same thing all over again. Yeah, really thankful, and I really thank you all for being patient while I prepare and pass the examination that I wanted to. So thank you so much for supporting me with my journey.
And for me, it was more that my job, I changed my company. So basically, I was working in a previous software company and they opened offices. So we had to move to offices again, and I prefer more remote work. So I took the remote work and I interviewed and got work in a different company, and they had a very cool software project, which we'll talk even more later on. And we have a very cool product which we are planning to roll all across US, and starting with Georgia. We have Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, then to New York, LA, all across, so each state. So I'm very excited for that product and working in this new company.
So let's get to the next exciting topic. What can you expect from this channel going forward?
Yes, so firstly, we'll be posting more daily vlogs where you can see more content of what we go daily in our software jobs and how we handle daily stress and what else we do apart from the work in our daily day-to-day.
You can expect to hear about tips on how to improve your software career. Also, you can expect to watch skits, so it keeps you exciting and entertained. So guys, to wrap this up, we are so excited to be back. Today is a weekend day and we have lots of time today to do our workout, and of course we have to still do the general chores and also do the video editing to post this video. But apart from that, we are going to watch the latest Marvel release, Doctor Strange. Go on, watch the vlog and enjoy, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Let's see you in the vlog. In Avi, we came to watch Dr. Strange at Regal VIP section. So there you see the VIP in the back. So what is Regal VIP is basically we get the star treatment in theaters. That means free popcorn, free ice cream, free everything. And we're going to have a recliner chair so you can just lean back and watch. So I'm going to give you a tour of all that. Let's go. He got himself a Sierra Mist, is it?
Yeah, lemonade.
Cool. And for me, he's getting a Diet Pepsi.
Yes.
Time for some popcorn. Woohoo!
Ice cream also over here.
So that's the recliner chair I'm talking about. So, ta-da! Legs are spread. We just came out of the movie theater. So we went to Doctor Strange. The movie is great. The graphics are amazing. The storyline is funny because they made the villain character very unique. So that's what I found most interesting. But Doctor Strange, you can't take your eyes off. his storyline, his character, and you'll be meeting different Doctor Stranges from all different multiverses. So that's definitely a worth watch. Overall, I'll give the movie definitely a 4.5 out of 5. So watch it out, guys. We're back at Atlantic Station at our favorite restaurant, Non-Stop. So I got goat curry and Abhi got chicken tikka.
Do not stop the big man. You gonna get your ass.
All right, whatever you say. Okay.
Man, you know you finna eat, bro. You finna eat. This ain't no dance over there. Look. Let's run. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Alright. Hey, that's actually on. That's actually on. Yeah.